Hi, this is John Morgan with the latest video tip for 2020 design. What's hot in our industry right now?
LED lighting. It's actually being specified by more than 80% of designers today. This room that I have right here is actually a room where I have removed all the lighting. So if you give it just a moment to build, you will see here that I have a dark room. I've turned out all the lights in the room so that I would have the ability to show what it looks like as I add lighting to a room. Now, I'm going to use simple under-cabinet lighting to begin with. So again, the trend in the industry is LED lighting. Your client is seeing this everywhere. They're asking you about LED lighting, but all they know is that LED lighting's hot. They know it's popular. They don't actually know what LED lighting looks like. That's why they're talking to you. And you as a designer need to help them have the right expectation for LED lighting. Well, if you're a 2020 user, you can simply go up to the tab called Items. You can click on Lighting Wizard. Why is your lighting feature gray? It's because you haven't downloaded the catalog yet. So make sure you go to 2020.net and do that. Standard. See right here I have under wall cabinets and I have a puck light. This actually determines all the different capabilities. I'll show you that in just a moment too. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to go back into my view and show you what puck lighting would look like underneath of these cabinets. As it renders, you'll see it cleans it up, but you notice all the little circles. I can always expand how far apart the lights are so we have less of those circles, but still we have all the circles there. If you haven't shown this to your client ahead of time, the first time they realize that they hate all the little circles is when they're sitting in their completed kitchen when they should be loving their kitchen, but all they can do is focus on these little circles on their countertops and how much they don't like it. So these little lights could ruin the whole job to the point where they're asking you to change them out. And now you are spending more money than you needed to keep that customer happy. Well, if we had gone in and done the lighting up front with the client, actually let me go through and hit undo. I'm going to go back in here to my items and say lighting. And I'm actually going to choose the premium one because we're running out of time right now. So I'm going to choose premium, which is all the lighting. It's over cabinet lighting, under cabinet lighting, inside wall cabinets, and toe kicks. But you'll notice right here where it says under wall, it says puck. I am going to change that to be a rigid light strip. I'm going to choose the 12 volt, 0.8 watt, 12, let's see which one I have here, the 300 mm, yep. And then I'm going to go ahead and say spacing doesn't matter because it's strip. Dimmable, yes, I want it to be dimmable. And if I click OK, it's actually going to put LED lighting everywhere in my room, and I'll show you that in just a moment. But most importantly, look underneath of my cabinets. I no longer have tiny circles. I have a more consistent lighting, and my customer understands what the difference is between puck and strips. And if I actually zoom back out a little bit, you'll notice that we've put lights above the cabinets, inside the cabinets. I've even put them in the toe kick. If you look down here along the floor as it re-renders.
For other great ideas, please join the 2020 community at www.2020spaces.com/community.